Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have just enough leftover paint to make me want to use it. So I am going to do that. I'm going to use some Anita's White Metallic, and I'm going to play with the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters, which definitely did a great job of becoming all blue. I should have known that was going to happen. I've got some nice cells though. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the edge, but I guess it's going to be something with Venetian Blue. And that was an orange I added iridescent pearl fine to. I think I'm going to throw a little bit more of that in there. And now I'll just take my shovel as best I can with all the rest of the colors. I kind of want some purple, some dark purple in there. So I guess if I want it, I better add it. Well, that's not really coming out the way I had anticipated at all. Let's just keep going with the we don't know what we're doing sort of scenario. And I'm going to use some Hot Orchid from Color Art. And I haven't used much yellow today, so I'm thinking evidently there's a reason for that. Come out. Alright, I'll pick another one. Let's use the orange. Well, the orange isn't coming out either. Alright, so everything is basically plugged up. Oh, I like to see the folk art neon pink compared to the Hot Orchid. And I think, last but not least, we'll just make this a sort of a crazy. That's some peacock from, where did I do it in my bottle? From Deco Art Metallics. Okay, so I will take care of my color pan afterwards. I will grab an edge catcher right now. I will see what we get. As soon as I have a puddle over there, I'm going to rock my edge catcher, throw my paint back on, and send it to the next side. Whatever I need, I will scrape off my edge catcher if I want, or I will throw it back on the canvas by rocking it. I do like making stripes, and they're very colorful. I am annihilating all of my beautiful cells, but I'm having a really good time. I'm going to move the canvas down into the puddle of paint. Well, I get to keep a few little cells. I'm going to use my extra paint to cover up that corner. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, telling you that there are over 1,700 videos on my playlists, on my creative playlists on my YouTube channel, on all playlists. And if you're looking for a video, I can help you. They're organized by the 100 and by the topic, the genre. And I am going to tip all of that way first, because I love, love, love those stripes of color I'm getting. And then I think I'm going to send it back. I kind of really want to torch, but I don't actually want to lose anything I've got either. Oh well, gotta take risks, I guess. Let's hope we can bring the design back to where it wants to go. Just waiting for the puddle, rocking the edge catcher, scraping it back on. It's not the same as it was, and I really did like it, but it's still cool. And I will torch. I will send my paint down there. I'd like to spread it out some, but I still like it. And I have enough paint left on my edge catcher to fill this side. Do I want to do anything else? It's one of those because I can moments. Hopefully it's not going to go against me. What else? What else? I think a little white. I think what I've been enjoying doing recently is messing with whatever marks I add. Trying to figure out what else goes in there. And I know something else does. Okay, purple or black. Something that'll come out. How about that? That sounds like a perfect solution. Anything at all. Okay. That's better. Actually, that's a lot better. And my bottles are perfectly plugged for use tomorrow and not tonight. I think I'm done. And it's a colorful, fun mess. That was black enamel from Folk Art I just put in there. I like my waggles. I think if I were smart, I probably wouldn't tip, but I'm not sure I'm as smart as I wish I was. Because I want to just keep messing. Okay, so time to torch, I guess. I tell you guys, shop my Teespring clothing below the video. If you want to help me out, look for the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. And it will share with you the monthly prizes that go to whoever is the drawing winner in that particular month through donating through PayPal and Patreon. I just needed a few more dots. Yeah. Don't ask me why. I just did. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please ask questions if you want to. Look for my Amazon link. At no added cost to you. If you shop there, you help me out. My 2 books, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities are there. If you look for Facebook groups on the Linktree link below the video, you will find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors with albums of artworks from YouTube, and Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more, where you can be connected via the Shop Now button to Pixels.com and Fine Art America. Also there you will find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest is where I post my newest works most of the time, well before they air. If you appreciate my videos or my efforts, please like my videos, share them, watch them longer, and share them to groups if you can. Your thumbs up is very appreciated. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is actually really a whole lot of fun. I like this one a lot. I'm kind of thinking that I want just a few more dots because I have 3. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Zoom in. That's intense. Lots of tipping. I can't get any closer than that, unfortunately. Alright, you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.